Hey, and welcome to Alpha. We are now starting a live session that we're going to trade binary option live. I do this every Monday to Friday, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on, so you never lose a live session just like this one. Also, make sure you sign up with the broker that I'm using. You find a link below the video or in the chat. We are live in Rumble, YouTube, Academy, and Discord. So now, I will now start to prepare everything as always, so just bear with me while I do so. So let's go now. Let's see. There. Okay. Okay, we are soon ready. Hey, and welcome, Radical. Nice to see you. Okay, something happened wrong here now. Let's do our reload. So we can log into this account. Okay, back to trading. Okay, it looks like we're in now. Basically every pair we traded yesterday, we can trade today. Okay. Let's see what we can find. Looks like British pound, I guess Japanese yen is okay. This one is in the lower end, but everything above 70 we keep. As long as we fill up almost this row here, I'm satisfied. Because we need that to be able to get all the trades we need. That's it. Okay, then we can start. Now, we are actually testing our area right away here now. I will take my time to mark it. Okay, he did go lower, but I think down between there and there can be an entry. We have 100 bid already, so let's see if we go in there now. That was almost. I should have pushed there now. Let's see. Let's zoom in. Let's see. Yes, we are in. We got the entry. First trade all day. Then let's start from the front. Here we do have a trend going upwards. If it was not for this trend. Oh, start a little. This is the alarm for mining. If you let me stop. stop it. Let's just wait for this one. I don't need to do that. He wants to follow me. I repeat it every time I get alarm. They know that I'm also mining on my cell phones, and some passive income is always good. Now, are we losing this one here? Let's see. That was very close. I think my entry was basically, I think, around where I got my entry. We lost it. That was a little annoying, but nothing we can do with. If I got a little better entry, I would have won that one. It's okay. I think we can actually take more trades here, but I want a better entry. Let's see. There. We are in with another one there now. Let's see how it goes this time. Let's go and restart this again. Just like that. We are golden. Okay. Do you know what? We won that one, and it was actually not so bad. He did go lower, but anyone that take this trade, you won actually. So congratulations. Yeah, we need that way. So that means one win, one loser for till now. Minus 100 plus 78. I'm $22 minus, but that is completely fine. I don't think you're going to trade this one anything more right now. Let's get back to it later. Let's start with the GBP, GPY. Oh, you got two? Yeah, the first one was very close for me. If I had just one, if I got in 1 second later, I would have won it because I would have get a better entry. So. But good, you got both. Well, let's see. For me, it's almost more important that the ones that follow my trades get wins than I get myself. Let's see. Just wait a little. There. Okay. Now let's see. Now we do have a quite strong trend going upwards here. I think we stay away, otherwise this area is quite beautiful, but it's too... This one might break, so we stay away from it for now at least. Now, here we might have something. I would say a decent entry would be up there. So we had a trend. Trend is broken. Now this area up here is lucrative. So let's see. Now let's see. By the way, I am starting to do some more live sessions. I'm going to do Forex very soon. I think Forex I will do together with this free live session I'm doing right now. Later on, we will maybe use around 20 minutes in with Forex also. Whatever I will give signals in form of take entry, take profit and stop loss levels, and explain why I take the trade and all this good stuff. That's something we will start with very soon. I'm just waiting for a good broker. I'm searching around. The thing is, the broker need to be worldwide. What I figure out is that it's very difficult to find a good broker that is worldwide and is safe and good to use. So I'm looking around for now. But when I find one, I'm going to start. But I'm going to take my time because I also want a broker where are giving a good affiliate income for me. That is in form of because every broker that is you take a trade with, you pay a small fee, very small fee every time you do a trade. And basically, what I want is one that can pay me at least half of what you pay the broker. So when I find that is, I have one, but it's not worldwide. But I want, if I can find one that is worldwide that do the same, then we are talking, and then I will start to do my signals there also. And I'm going to start to do a second live session. This is an ongoing thing. There basically will be only the ones that really are serious that I'll do, because it's going to take much of my time. So I'm only going to do work with the ones that are really serious. So it will be more like a premium live session. And there, in that one, there will be also some homework, we can call it. Now let's see here. Reaching a quite, they're following the trends. I think we skip that one also. Yeah. Let's continue. Here on the other hand, now let's see. I need to figure out, we did break to the upside, so I think the downside should be stronger. So let's see. I will now mark it and let's see. I think our entry will need to be something in that area. We do see a trend going downwards, so let's see how that plays out first. Let's see. Like I said before, if you can draw a trend line, you draw it. And here you can see you have lower, 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 lower. That means a trend line. Be careful. So all the time, if you are able to draw, you draw it. So in that way, it is a squeeze area. I think this is a very weak trend line. I don't think this is strong at all. So I think I will take a trade on here easily now. But if you go too far, then it shows me that it's stronger. But now you see, like I said, I thought this was going to be a weak one, and it was. Now I'm also interested in the top area. And you see he broke straight through it. So good, you're not thinking too much there. As it broke from the downside, I was sure this was going to be the stronger one. So good, we did that. Then I think we just move on. He's coming to an interest area up around this area, because you can see to the left. But you see he's breaking through basically everything. Let's see. Wow, look at this move. This looks like a huge move when we are on the 1 minute. But to be quite true, it's not so big. Let's go here to the 4 hour where we trade Forex. And you will see that it's just a small, tiny move. Look at this move. This is a big move. So you see here, it looks like a huge move on the 1 minute. But when you go to the 1 hour, you see, and you see now he's reaching a strong resistance here. So I guess he will stop where he is right now. But take it back to 1 minute here now. You will see this looks like a crazy move. And like I said, we reached a 4 hour resistance up here. So that's it. But let's continue. So it's not always a big move in 1 minute is a big move. It just looks like it because it's only 1 minute chart. So it's like I said before, when we don't trade OTC, basically these bars they follow the forex market, the ones that trade there. Now let's see. And in the forex market is very, in some way you have the bigger sharks there. They are hunting your stop loss basically. So if you put a bad stop loss, they hunt it because they make money when you lose money, the big banks. So they are always hunting your stop loss. This is something you will learn, to put your stop loss where other don't put it basically. That's something you all will learn later if you have interest about it. Now let's see here. This area start to look nice. I'm not trading it, I'm just marking it so I can take a look. And here you broke it. First I would have taken these lines here and then I will take the trend line. So we never got so far. Let's continue. This is the first trade we did take, was here. We see that he's going lower, but we do have one more type of support down there. Let's mark it. Let's see how it looks like. Do you know what? I think it's a good one. I'll take it there, and we are in. And I think I got a quite decent trade there. I think that will be good enough. I got it within the lines at least. But will be the only trade we take because as you know he's 63%. We don't trade that. So this is the last trade. I will close this one after, and when I've done that I will do a reload, so everyone else that had turned down to 63 we remove. But at least we won it, looks like. Let's see if we're deep in money. I lost it in the last second. I don't know why I'm laughing, but that annoys me. We lost it in the last second. I had it, I was in the money till the last second, and then after he did go up again. That annoys me. Dear. That is so annoying. But at least you are 3-0 then Radical, you're doing good. I've been unlucky with 2 of the trades now. So, yeah. I will now turn my bid to 200. You obviously can keep it to 100 because you have been lucky, I've been unlucky. But yeah, that's how it is. I will now reload. So I see if something else here is going down to 60 because you don't trade that. Let's see. Let's reload and see. Yeah, looks like this Swedish crowns here also is 60. So then we keep to this pairs here. Let's start again. Now I've been a little unlucky lately, I see. But yeah, the thing is, you see that it's just tiny differences. So as you probably when I take the trade, maybe you're like slight of a second after me, and then you have won. So in that way, you see how it is. Sometimes, and I also hate that when I get a win in the last second and the ones that follow me lose in the last second. I don't like that either. So in that way, it's more adjustable that you are actually winning now Radical and me is losing in the. So I like that you can see that can be this way, because I think you would find it very annoying if I did take a trade and I win in the last second and you lose in the last second. So for me, I think it's quite okay. I'm okay, by the way. So in that way, I think it's good that you can see that you can remember this live session now, because there will be another live session. I can promise you that if you stick with me, of course. You will see later on that I maybe win in last second and you lose. Then just remember this day, because it will happen. You can trust me on that. Now let's see. Okay, I think we can have something at the top here. We can justify a trend line, but I think it looks very vague. So let me mark up here first. Something aligned up there could be okay. Let me also draw the trend line at the same time. Something like this. Yeah. Okay. So we are looking for a sell up here. Obviously, we see he's still respecting this trend line we had drawn. Okay, then you have seen. So, but it's good for you to see that this go both ways. Because as we are trading on the 1 minute, some days it's like this. Some days I'm unlucky losing everything, and you will win everything. And there will be the other way. There will be sometimes I will win everything and you are unlucky. This is in the times when the trades are tight, you know. And some days we are super lucky. Today looks like I'm not that lucky. But in the end, luck have nothing to do with it. When you get in enough trades, we turn profit, by the way. And that is what I'm going to do. Now let's see. I don't like so much this entry down here. I think I move on. Okay. Let's draw the line a little more up. Just wait a little. I will make myself a water. Okay, sorry for that. Sometimes I need some water because I'm basically talking all the time. Now we do have a entry up in the top here. Yes, you have a squeeze, but do you know what? This looks so nice. If you can get up there again, do you know what? I'll take it. Let's see. And looks like he's breaking the trend line. I'll actually just remove it. Let's see if we can just get up there again. Let's see. By the way, How is the weather in Norway these days? I hear from my mother it's crazy wind and bad weather. Here in Brazil we are enjoying sun. Actually today was a little too warm, for me at least. So it's a little different. Now, do I like there in the bottom here? Thing is, I like more up there. I don't think he'll mark in the bottom. I have a feeling he will break, and yes. Now let's move on. Oh yeah, it's the worst time when the snow melts and you get this dirty snow walking in, and no, it's terrible. And of course the ice under. It's terrible time. It's actually the best winter you can have. It's when it's keeping like -10, little snow. That's perfect time. When it's going between warm and cold, it's the worst. Yeah, that's the thing. No, terrible. Better when it keeps around 5, 10 minus every day, because then it's not so slippery either. Strong trend going upwards here. And here we have a trend upwards also. I'm not seeing that much yet. Okay. We might have something in the bottom here. Let's see. I'll take a look. Something around there. Is it beautiful? Far from it. But I would say we can take a trade in between these two lines here. Let's see. I see that I need to be careful. He's moving very fast, so I might push here and get an entry up here. This is scary. Here might be a difference. So if you don't want to take this trade, it is not a good trade. I will say this is. I would probably not take this if I was like 5-0. It is moving very fast. That's why it's not good. I'm very scared to push down there. He did shoot past the line, so I don't take it, by the way. Maybe that was for the better. Because the problem here, you can push here and you can get an entry up here. So we skip it. Was actually a blessing that he did shoot past the line. Now let's see here. Up here, this one move a little calmer. Let's see. I'm looking for a possible entry up there. Let's see. Let's see. I think that looks quite nice. Oh, okay. yeah, okay. I was going to say I should not take the trade, but looks like this time he did shoot past it. But let's see if we keep this way. That would be nice. I got at least a super good entry. Can't get a better entry than I got on that one. So if I lose this one, okay, then I'm really unlucky. You see, I'm in the money. 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Let's see how this did turn out. That was deep in the money. I got the entry up here, and we got perfect, just perfect. Then that means I am in profit again. I needed that. So did you take this trade also, Radical? If you did, you should have now Let me see, you had 2-0, you should have now 3-0. Because that was deep in the money also. I will not change to 100. Okay, but you have done good by the way, so all good. I think I'll move my lines just a slightly little bit. Oh, you have 3-0, okay. Sad you did not get it then, because you will have 4-0, you will go into a very good day. For you, it will be a good start of the week. Now let's see here. My win rate today is basically 50%, but as I do raise one bid, we are in profit at least. So, but these two here, they were really tight. I was really unlucky on both of them. So, but like I said, sometimes you can get unlucky, but in the end, luck don't have nothing to do with nothing. If we get enough trades, we get the win rate we are supposed to get. Now let's see, he starts to move very fast now, I see. That means there are many in the Forex market that are buying and selling, so he can shoot anyway, so be careful. When he starts to move like this, it's very dangerous to trade. Means that there are a lot of pressure that he will shoot either direction very soon. So it's very dangerous to take a trade. I'm on the fence if I should. I'm really on the fence. I'm not sure if I should take a trade or not. I think I skip it. I think I skip it. He's moving too fast. That if I take him, looks like I'll be okay, but I know when he's moving like this, he can shoot up like this, and I feel it's like a 50-50. It's like you are, maybe you don't see it in the 1 minute, but probably we are in a squeeze or something, and he is really ready to break it now. Did you take a trade now, Radical? Let me know. For other people live in other places, I am basically just keeping the chat open from YouTube. I will answer some questions after, especially in the academy. When I close my live session here, I answer questions in the academy after. Then I'll take my time and answer all the questions. Very good. Yeah, and you see now he broke it. I was expecting that it could happen. But good, then you have 4-0. Then you start to be really good today. And once again, you got your answer answered for a question you sent me like 2 weeks ago. If you should stop after winning one trade. And now you see that that would not be a good deal. But I understand in the start was everything in the start is a little scary. You see that you started in some bad live sessions we had then. So, but now you start to see that we get our win rate when it's about how many trades we take. So, but it's of course difficult to explain that for someone that have just started. Now let's see here. I see a lot of trends. I always mark everything, even if I'm not thinking about trading, because it helped me next time I come in, so I can see what happened since last time. So, because when we come in here, maybe in 5 minutes, we will see what we have seen before, and we can react faster on things. So here I think we actually can take a trade in the bottom here now. I think we have enough space for now. So if we can go below, I will take a trade here now. I'll zoom in really much here now. If we can, I think I'll take on this. Yes, we got a good entry. Let's wait and see. I will bring up the trade here so you can follow. I got it in between the lines, so I think it should be good enough. Only if you choose to break it. Let's see. Actually, I see he's out of the money right now. I will come in the last 10 seconds and take a look. For now, I will see if we can get some trades going on for some other pairs. Looks like we maybe have some type of support down here. You see from here to there. I'll draw this line and I will go in and see what's going on the trade he just did. Okay, he broke it, so let's go here and take a look. Okay, he broke down, so I'm losing that trade. Okay, okay. That means I'm down in minus again. Struggling a little today. I'm minus 66. Yeah, it broke. It broke. That was your first loss then, I guess. My win rate today is terrible. It was like this yesterday also, but in the end we got some wins. We do have a good 20 minutes left, so we should be able to get in some nice trades here. Still, now let me see. I am looking here now. I think in between this area could be nice. Yes, we got it. I do see bullish trends. I think it'll go upwards. Now down here, that looks nice. Sweet, I'll take that. I love it. And let's see. Why I did that? And then one more. Ugh. Two terrible trades. Let's see. I might go deep in a loss. 1-1. Sweet. I'll take it. Plus 74. Let's hope I can win this two here now. That would be amazing. Now it's scary when I take two trades. But let's see. I only get myself some water. Hey, yes I can like. Now let me see what happened. Okay, looks like I've got lucky. Did you get unlucky now, Radical? As I got lucky? By the way, then I'm up. I'm now in $164 profit. Won and lost. Okay, but then you did not lose so much then. Then you just $22 if you take $100 trades. Now I am actually getting close to $200 profit. I'm super satisfied with that. Now let's see. Do we think about trading down here? Thinking. Yeah, I think I do. Got an entry there. Let's see. One more. This glass looks a little fish. I think this one did not clean properly. Get my other glass. Okay, what happened here? Okay, he broke it. down to $64 profit. Okay, looks like we are turning things around to the worse. What is your I am now currently in $64. That's it. We are the same then. And some cash back up here, then 80 something. Let's mark the bottom down here. Something like that. Let's see. What I think will happen here now, he will go up to around here, then he will go down and retest. This is the way if he break this trend line. We are not trading here, we trade only if we break the trend line. Okay, so my plan here now is that if he break this trend line and go up, he retest up here and he will go down again and retest down here. We are not trading here now, by the way, because as long as he keep within this, he can easily break down also. Let's wait and see. It's very important the next trade we take is a winner. So we can turn some profit. So let's take our time. We need this one to close outside properly. Then we can remove this line and take a trade out there. We are getting close now. Good. I like it. Now, if we close here, it will not be good. We can still not trade. He closed it in. He can still break to the downside. And you see, he might even do it. Somehow he's staying within the trend line and looks like he's making lower lows. If we go more low now, I will just move on. Then I lose my interest. Yeah, I lose my interest. Let's see here. Not moving too much. I'm now really trying to find something super good for us to trade. We have a nice area down here. You see he's a little how the trend. Let me see. Let me mark it and see how it looks like. And while I'm marking it, you see he go farther down, but that is completely okay actually. Let's mark it something like this. Let's see. We do have a trend. I'll also mark the trend. Very steep one. Let's see how this will play out. We are still within the trend. I think we skip it for now. This is 4-hour resistance. We have been here before. But you see it's a too big area to take a trade, so you can trade it now. Okay. I see too much trends. I would like to see a sideways market. That would be nice. I'm considering taking an up trade here. On this time on the line, we need it. We don't have space for. You see, it's basically I can do it. I can do it. It looks like it's one line, I think. Okay, in between these two tiny spaces there, if we can get there, will be super nice. Let's see. If that is possible, we will do it. Let's see. Do you know what? I will take the first. The first. If we go in between the lines down there, I take it. If we go up there, I take it. What comes first, I do. Let's see. Looks like you're forming a sideways market, so it might be something you can catch early and get many trades. Let's see. So if you can get, it's very tight here. We will never get the entry perfect here, but if you can get as close as possible to these two, I think we'll be okay. Now I'm ready. If we should pass it, we don't take a trade, okay? That's it. Now we are very close. We did should pass it, which I should not have taken a trade. I should not have taken it. He did go past it. There you see, when we have too tight, it's difficult not to push the button. I think I'll lose this one. I think I'll lose it. That will be terrible. Then I'm in minus for the day. I hope you did have a little better judgment there. I will take my last trades with 200. I am now basically in zero for the day, counting this one here. Okay, then you did even worse than me then. I guess you did lose both then. Then I am now changed it to 200. Win rate today, it's quite terrible, I need to admit. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 50% win rate today, basically. That is basically a copy of yesterday, but yesterday's I got 3 winners in a row in the end. We are already, I think we can, if you're lucky, you can get 2 more trades. So if we get 2 more trades now, we at least turn profit. Yesterday we got 3 winners in the end. Let's see here now. I think an entry in between there. Let me just take a look how this looks like. We had a trend, we broke it, so entry down here should be good. Let's see. if we get down there again, that is. No, that's it. So there you did go from 4-0 to from hero to zero. Sorry that I'm laughing, but that is how it is sometimes. I just gave the good speech about that is about stopping after one trade. Well, sometimes when I start to talk the good words, we start to do bad after. That's just how it is, but let's see if we can get a couple of winners in the end here now. That will turn things into profit at least. I'm ready. Come on now. Little more. Little more. There. I'm in, and that was a good entry. If we can get a win here now, that will turn things around a little. And if we can find one more trade that is good, then we will be golden. Let's see. I don't like I go in and out of the money here now. Come on now, come. It's going to be one of these. It's blinking in and out. And I lost it. What the shit is that? And maybe you won it then, as I lost it. This was blinking in out. Then let me see. We need 2 more trades to be good then. Let me see the timer. We still have some time left. Let's see. If we have something to the left that says that this is good, we have. Let's see if we get down there again. I would say in between there will be good. Let's see. But yeah, these start to look terrible. I am like 240 minus now. So we need 2 more trades to turn profit. Is this, it's only, that's true. Thank you for telling me. We go away from that one. I am too focused on the bars that I don't always see the numbers in the top. Okay, what's going on here? I don't like the lower one here. I just see a trend going downwards. So let's skip it. Much trendy market here today. Here we start, looks like we have some sideways market action. Let's see. I'll take it up there. And I got a terrible entry. I'll take one more. I'm so bad by the way today, so I'll take one more up there. I think the second at least was better. And don't, if you break now, that would be terrible. Then I'm losing like crazy money today. Then I stop. If we win this 2 now, then I will be doing good. If I lose 2 now, it will be terrible. That's basically how this will look like. Return profit, if, come on, looks good for now. I'm in the money all the time. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And yes. Now let me see how this ended. Looks like it go good. Did you get it, Radical? If you got it now, I'm happy. Then I feel success in the end. Let me know that I am in profit for the day. Yes, good. Do you know what? We stop there now. I think you turn at profit and right. I turn at profit. Just a little bit at least. And I think you turn profit also. Do you know what? We stop for the day. When we end on a note like this where we win in the last second, I think it's a sign we should stop. So then I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied that we turned profit at least. Because when we did so good in the start, especially you, we should count this as a good session, by the way, as we could turn it around in the end. So then we will trade again tomorrow same time. For other people tuning in, yes, sometimes it's like this, we need to fight a little for our profit, but most important, we did turn profit in the end. So if you want to trade together with me, I will trade same time tomorrow. And also make sure you sign up with the broker. You should start with a demo account, see if you manage to follow, and then if you see you manage, well, then you have the option to go in with real money. So that will be completely up to you, of course. So you find link in the chat or link below the video if you see this as a recording. So that, have an amazing day, and thank you for